In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert NotebookLM slides to editable PowerPoint. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn AI-generated slides into a standard .pptx file that you can customize to match your brand, adjust layouts, and fine-tune wording. Start by heading to the NotebookLM website. This is where we'll create or open a notebook, which acts as your workspace. If you already have a notebook set up, open it. Otherwise, create a new one so you're starting fresh. A notebook is simply a place to collect your sources and guide the tool toward the kind of presentation you want. Inside your notebook, look for the Add Sources option. This is where you bring in the material NotebookLM will use. You can upload files, link to websites, connect documents from your drive, or paste copied text directly. Choose the approach that best fits your research. Clear, well-structured sources usually lead to cleaner slides, so it's worth taking a moment to make sure what you add is relevant and easy to parse. Next, type in what you want to research or summarize. Think of this as your prompt or focus statement. Be specific about the angle you want the slides to cover, for example, an overview, a comparison, or a set of key takeaways. The more precise your wording, the more on target the slide deck will be. Once your sources and prompt are in place, select the slide deck option. NotebookLM will generate a presentation for you based on the materials it has. Give it a moment to process. When it's ready, you'll see the slide deck appear in the interface, typically along the right side, with a preview of the content it produced. To export the slides, open the menu for that deck by clicking the three dots next to it. This reveals the available actions for the generated presentation. From that menu, choose Download PowerPoint. NotebookLM will prepare a .pptx file and save it to your device. That's it. You now have a fully editable PowerPoint version of the slides. If the structure or tone isn't quite right on the first try, refine your sources or update your prompt, generate a new slide deck, and repeat the download. Small adjustments at the input stage can make a big difference in the final output. With this workflow, you can move quickly from research to a polished, editable deck that's ready for design tweaks, speaker notes, and final review.